the author of Spoken Fighter, Vocab Fighter, and Presentation Hero, the CEO and founder of Rahas English Care, Mr. Omar Farooq Khan Rahas, sir. Please put your hands together.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are very fantastic and you are spending a quality time, but I'm very sad. Farewell is making me cry. Sometimes I think that I won't join any farewell program. So never I want to say goodbye. So I believe my students is my heart. Every moment I work for my students. I want to say you, youngsters, you are leaders and you will lead next Bangladesh. Basically, I have no talent, but I have an excellent talent that is the call of hardworking. So you don't have any talent, no issues. Just give a message. From today, I will be a hardworking person. I believe English is just a skill and it will help you in your career. And today I am very proud. And I was sitting here, right now I'm standing here. And that time I thought when I started your class, and I just thought I wish my student could speak in English. So whenever you were speaking in English, that time really I feel honored. Yes, now I am doing great thing. My students not only learning, but also they are speaking with confidence. I believe confidence is power to go ahead. Definitely you are going ahead. And you will go ahead because of confidence. Nothing else. Now I am going to request my students. This is not high time to give advice, but I'm not going to give you advice. I want to request, please love your dreams. Love your dreams. Believe me, my dreams cannot sleep me. Where's my dream? My dream is that there are a lot of students who were joining with my institutes. How can I teach them? What will they do or not the whole day? First, I have to do a plan before starting anything. So I believe, so everyone says that success doesn't come a day. I want to say that success doesn't come to lazy people.